Hey everyone, and welcome to cubesapien.com. So in this video I will show you guys some best cheap price loops for your speedcube, and I will be just going through three websites: Flipkart, cubelelo.com and pcubepuzzle.com. So let's get right into it. So I have just already opened all them in the browser. So let's go first to Flipkart. So in Flipkart you just type Sheldon, this Sheldon SO-1117, like that. You just type that, and here you will get one loop of quantity 25 ml and price 193 plus the delivery charges that they apply. So I personally use this loop, and this loop is just similar to the Cubelelo Weight 3 loop, and which is a great deal because in 193 rupees you just get 25 ml of that, whereas in Cubelelo you have to just pay 250 to 300 rupees for only 5 ml of loops. So that's a great deal, and this is 100% pure silicone oil. But I have also seen this Sheldon brand to make a water-based loop for speedcubes, but currently in Flipkart that product is unavailable. But once it is available, I will just link the link of that product in the description, and you will also get the link of this loop in the description. So let's move on to the next. So here I will show in Cubelelo. As I showed earlier, in Cubelelo the prices of loops are pretty much high, but the loops are fairly tough and just stay a long way. So I have bought once a Weight 3 loop of 5 ml from Cubelelo, and it has just last about 6 to 7 months, and I have just used it in all my puzzles that I set up, like 4x4, 3x3, 2x2, all the puzzles that I have with that loop. That's a great deal. It may seem something high price, but it lasts really long. Here are also few more cubes by Gans standard loop 10 ml that costs 319 rupees, and G Mofanga for 249 rupees, but it is only 3 ml, and Gans magic loop that 299, that you can which you can just choose right here. Here in Cubelelo there are also Maru loop offers, like single Maru loop of 10 ml for 219 rupees, and two combo 2 pack of 2 like that 319 rupees. So that's 100 for 2, 100 more for 2, and for pack of 3 you have to just pay 449 rupees. So that's a great deal. If you have one or more person to buy the same loop, that you can just go for this offer. So next I just move on to pcubepuzzles.com. So in pcubepuzzles.com they have lots and lots of varieties of loop that you can buy right here, and their loops section started from rupees 100 onwards, that you can see here, and they have lots of loops that you can see here. So starting off with first, they have the P-Cube Turbo, that is Maru-like, and that is 25 ml for 100 rupees. That's not so bad deal. So polydiamylate silicolized PDMs, I don't know. So next, if we see, there are P3 silicone, so you can see a lots of loops that are available here. Wait a little bit. So this P3 Turbo Maru-like loop is for 179 rupees, and that's for 25 ml. Then PDS 20, that is a great deal, because 536, because I don't know polydiamide, I think something chemistry have to do there, so I don't know nothing about that. So I should surely go for 179 rupees, because that will be a great deal. And that's it. So this is about my loops recommendation for you for a great price loop, and if you have more questions, be sure to ask them in the comment section, and share and subscribe to my channel, and share this video to every cuber that want to get a new loop for them. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.